33-yard line, trailing 14-0. Out of the pistol, handoff on first down goes to Edmunds. Grips it free across the 30 to the 40, pulling away down the left sideline. Edmunds to the 20 to the 10. Touchdown Tech. Trey Edmunds racing through the Alabama secondary. A 77-yard touchdown for the freshman.
Wow, what a play from Trey Edmunds, breaking through the initial line of scrimmage and then turning on the afterburners as the Hokie fans in this Georgia Dome come to life. And so does that sideline.
To the right. Handoff goes to Edmunds again, and this time he waltzes in for the score. Touchdown Tech. Second score of the day for the rookie, 30. Hokies go two tight ends, both on the left. Perez Means in motion to the right. Handoff goes to Edmunds again, and this time he waltzes in for the score. Second score of the day for the rookie, 30. Fancy with that. Hokies have won their last 4 games here, and 9 of their last 10 overall against ECU, but trailing here in this third quarter. Logan to throw, sets up the screen, caught by Edmunds on the 30, gets a block, cuts inside of the 20, ahead to the 15. First down for the Hokies. Jonathan White makes the play. A nice screen pass set up that time by...
Yeah, especially on first down. It's been pretty amazing.
Tech will run out of the I formation. Thomas takes the snap, hands it off. Edmunds has a seam, gets to the 30. Nice run, his biggest of the day. Cuts to his left and gets knocked down on the 33-yard line by Magazoo. Formation behind Thomas now from the left hash mark. Hokies run the ball to the left side, and Edmunds bursts it. Ahead of the 20, still on his feet at the 17. The 49-yard line. Hokies started deep in their own territory. They've moved just shy of midfield now. Snap comes back to Logan, hands it off, and there is a big hole for Edmunds. Across the 40, out of the 35, the Thunder in here, and he's knocked down by Leggett.
That's a lot of credit. They have played very well.
7:45 to go. Hokies with the football on their own 33. Handoff goes to Edmunds, sprints hard to the left side, turns the corner at the 40, to the 45-50, down the left sideline, tiptoeing out of the Marshall 40, and following one of the hands by Darren Roberts inside the 25-yard line. Here with 4:15 to go. Third and goal on the 1-yard line, again out of the eye. The handoff goes to Edmunds, and he dives across. Touchdown Tech. Trey Edmunds puts it away with 4:06 to go.
Finally get it in.
Falling down. Second down. Snap back to Thomas. Hands to Edmunds. That's a tackle. That's inside.
Trey Edmunds down to the 20.
Field, 1:53 to go, and 82 yards away in a tie game, 7-7, late in the first half. Logan Thomas, first down, drops the throw, set up the screen, dumps it to the left, caught by Trey Edmunds at the 20, gets to the 30-yard line, first down to the 31, and ahead of the 32-yard line. That's a pretty good running, huh?
Excellent play, well executed.
officially. Snap comes back to Logan, turns and hands the football off. Edmunds sprints to the left side. He's going to take it into the end zone. Touchdown, Tech.
Nice job. Great offensive plan of attack. Excellent job there with the seal by McLaughlin, Billy.
Out in 15. The snap comes back to Thomas. The senior sets up the screen, flipping into the left side. It's caught by Edmunds. Stretches across the 40. Flag is thrown as he dives down to the 42-yard line. That was Gorey, the linebacker, that made the play. 10 for the Hokies. Handoff on first down goes to Trey Edmunds. Runs for the short side, cuts back to the 25, gets for the 20. Stumbles ahead to the 15, and he's knocked down there.
That's a good run by Trey Edmunds.
Scott Stadium. Logan's in the shotgun now. Snap comes back to him. Hands it off. Edmunds sprints left. Crosses the 50 into Virginia territory to the 40. Down to the 35-yard line. And finally knocked down over there by Phelps again on the 32.
With 8. Terrific players. Had a great wheel.
Hokies leading by 10 early in the third. The handoff goes to Edmunds again. Squares the shoulders and explodes across the 30 to the 40. Left sideline across midfield. Down the left sideline to Virginia 42. And Romero bumps him out of bounds there. 30 yards on the ground. Thomas is in the gun. 4 receivers set. He takes the snap. Looking left. Flips it. It's caught for the first down. Edmunds breaks free at the 10. Gets to the 5. Sprinting to the pylon. And he will score. Touchdown, Tech.
Holy smokes for Trey Edmunds, 26 yards. What a throw by Logan Thomas, put it right on his fingertips.
Trey Edmunds, the ball carrier for Virginia Tech. Tackle man to the Commodores, Brandon Phelps.
Trey, what's up, Trey? Let's go! Straight up, baby! Right here. Wait, bring it on in.
Change my time. Yeah, I'm new to the game, but y'all might wanna say you ain't rap, stay like say the time.
Trey Edmunds, touchdown.
Is Edmunds. Hodges in motion from right to left. Turn, give to Trey Edmunds, rushing straight forward. He's in. Touchdown. Hokies. Tech strikes first. Defense sensing that. Waist high snap, give it to Edmunds. Edmunds turning left. He bursts through a hole. He's got a first down across the 35 and darts to the 40.
It's here, let's go. Let's go.
Left to right. Motley turns, gives. McMillan checked out Edmunds into the end zone. Touchdown. Trey Edmunds. Touchdown. Hokies.
1 yard run by Trey Edmunds. There's a big hole there. They went unbalanced line left. He comes back to the right there and just sneaks.
An NCAA All-American and former Washington Redskin. Owens has served the DC community.
8:39 to go. Hokies will keep it on the ground. There's Edmunds, breaks a tackle around the right end, crosses the 50, down the right sideline to the 40.